SodaStream Revolution Starter Kit. The SodaStream Revolution bottoms out our rankings of SodaStream models. From its looks alone, it stands apart from the others with more sleek and simple looking soda maker. This machine looks like a fountain soda soft drink maker you'd see at a fast food restaurant. That's not to say it's not unsightly at all. In fact, the nickel accents against the black casing fits in nicely amongst most modern kitchen appliances. The full kit includes many of the components that are found in other SodaStream kits, a reusable carbonating bottle, as well as a 60-liter refillable carbonator. This is a perk since many of the kits come only with a rebate for the 60-liter carbonator. The setup is also quite a bit easier than some models, such as the Jet for instance. You won't need to screw the carbonating bottle in place, just simply push it into place. Once that's in, all you need to do is press a button. You don't have to pump or do any manual work to produce your carbonated water. Simply press a button and it will automatically fill the bottle to the desired carbonation level. On the downside, the additional convenience does add up to a higher price point, and unfortunately possible issues with those moving parts may arise. It's also much harder to find in stock these days. All in all though, this is a higher end model for a reason.